Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to lose weight fast and safely. Losing weight can be a challenging journey, but with the right strategies and mindset, you can achieve your goals effectively. So, what is the best way to lose weight fast and safely? Well, there is no one-size-fits-all answer, as what works for one person may not work for another. However, there are some general principles that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Before we dive into it, if you enjoy the content I share, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on my latest videos, and it also helps support the channel and keeps me motivated to bring you even more valuable content. So, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and let's get started. First, it's important to create a calorie deficit. This means that you need to burn more calories than you consume. You can do this by eating fewer calories, exercising more, or a combination of both. Second, you need to make sure that you're eating healthy foods. This means eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. It also means avoiding processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive amounts of saturated and unhealthy fats. Third, you need to be patient and consistent. Losing weight takes time and effort, so don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just keep at it, and you will eventually reach your goals. Here are some specific tips that can help you lose weight fast and safely. Set realistic goals. The first step towards losing weight is to set realistic goals. It's important to be practical and understand that sustainable weight loss takes time. Aim for a healthy and achievable weight loss of 1 to 2 pounds per week. Create a balanced diet plan. Next, let's talk about your diet. Focus on creating a balanced meal plan that includes a variety of nutritious foods. Fill your plate with lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Avoid highly processed foods and sugary beverages. Practice portion control. Portion control plays a crucial role in weight loss. Be mindful of your portion sizes and avoid eating until you're overly full. A helpful tip is to use smaller plates and bowls, which can trick your brain into feeling satisfied with smaller portions. Stay hydrated. Water is your best friend when it comes to weight loss. Staying hydrated can boost your metabolism and help control hunger. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day and replace sugary drinks with water or herbal tea. Regular exercise routine. Now, let's move on to exercise. Incorporating regular physical activity into your routine is essential for weight loss. Choose activities you enjoy, such as brisk walking, jogging, swimming, or cycling. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. Get adequate sleep. Sleep plays a vital role in weight management. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that control hunger and fullness, leading to weight gain. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to support your weight loss efforts. Manage stress levels. Stress can hinder weight loss progress, as it may lead to emotional eating or a lack of motivation. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as practicing yoga, meditation, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Prioritize self-care and make time for activities that relax and rejuvenate you. Stay consistent and patient. Remember, losing weight is a journey that requires consistency and patience. Don't get discouraged by occasional setbacks. Stay focused on your goals, track your progress, and celebrate each milestone along the way. Losing weight fast and safely is possible, but it takes time, effort, and consistency. By following the tips in this video, you can reach your weight loss goals and improve your overall health. That brings us to the end of today's video on how to lose weight fast and safely. By following these steps, you can create positive changes in your lifestyle and achieve your weight loss goals. Remember, always prioritize your health and well-being above all. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.